Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your story from a specific person on Instagram. So if you want to hide your story from just a single person on Instagram, I'll show you how to do exactly that in this video. So first things first, open Instagram. Once you come here, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and go to your profile homepage. Once you get here, click on the three bars in the top right corner. And once you click on that, this pop-up bar will show up right here. And click on settings, which should be at the very top of this pop-up bar. Once you click on that, click on privacy, which should be the third option down. Once you click on privacy, this will show up. Scroll down to story and then click on that. It should be in between mentions and reels and remix. Once you click on that, this will show up. And at the very top, there will be an option to click hide story from. If you click on that, you can block people from seeing your story. So there would normally be more people than this, but if you click on this person and click done, then you'll be able to block whoever you want from your story. So the people that you choose won't be able to see your story. And that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.